Good morning, students. Today we will start another chapter from your SST book, The Northern Mountains. This is the second chapter of your SST book. The mighty Himalayas. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world. The word Himalaya means abode of snow. They run in east-west direction along the northern boundary of India. The Himalayas stretch across 6 nations: Bhutan, China, India, Nepal, Pakistan and Afghanistan. They are a continuous chain of mountains consisting of series of parallel ranges. They form an arc in the northern part of India. The origin is of mainly important rivers lies in the snow-covered mountain. So, Himalaya is the highest mountain range of the world and it runs east-west direction in 3 parallel ranges and it lies to the northern boundary of India. They form a arc which northern part of India, the origin of mainly rivers like Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra lies this snow-covered mountain. Location: the Himalayas are located between the Indus river in the west and Brahmaputra river in the east. So the natural boundary of Himalaya is west is the Indus river and the east is Brahmaputra river. The states of Himalaya, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Assam, Tripura fall in these regions. So, the state of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Assam, Tripura. These 8 states fall in this region. Numerous valleys are located in these mountain ranges like Kashmir Valley, the Doon Valley, the Kangra Valley and Kulu Valley. These are also famous hill stations. The highest peak of the world, Mount Everest, lies these ranges. This is located in Nepal. So the highest mountain peak of the world is Mount Everest and this lies in the Himalayan ranges and located in Nepal. Mount K2 or Godwin Austen is the second highest peak of the Himalayas. Actually, this is a wrong information. Students, you have to correct it. Mount K2 is the second highest peak of the world, but it is not in Himalayan ranges. This is in Karakoram ranges. So the K2 range or the Godwin Austen is the second highest peak of the world and it lies in Karakoram ranges, not in Himalayan ranges. The highest peak of Himalayan range that lies in India is Kanchenjunga. The highest of the mountain peak is about 8,586 meters. The height of the highest peak of the world. Which is the highest peak of the world? The highest peak of the world is Mount Everest and its height is 8,586 meters. The Himalayas are divided into 3 parallel ranges: Great Himalayas or Himadri, Middle Himalaya or Himachal and Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. So Himalaya is divided into 3 parts or in 3 parallel ranges: Great Himalaya or Himadri, Middle Himalaya or Himachal and Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. Great Himalayas or Himadri. The Great Himalayas or Himadri are highest range of the Himalayas. They are in the northmost part of the Himalayas and are permanently covered with snow. Some of the world's highest peaks lies in the Greater Himalaya. They included Nanga Parbat, Annapurna, Mount Everest, Mount K2. Actually, you have to rectify it again. Mount K2 is not in Himalayan ranges, it is in Karakoram ranges. So don't include Mount K2 in this. Mount Kailash and Kanchenjunga. The Himalayas are home of large number of glaciers such as Siachen Glacier, the Gangotri and Yamunotri glacier and the Jemu glacier. So as Siachen glacier is a very famous glacier because it lies in India-Pakistan border, and that it is in a very great height, and the temperature of this region is very low, and all over the year there is Indian soldiers to protect us. This is why you heard the name Siachen glacier frequently. And the other glaciers are Gangotri and Yamunotri in Uttarakhand, which are the source of the river of Ganga and Yamuna, and Jemu Pass in Sikkim. The Greater Himalayas are the source of large number of perennial rivers. These rivers combine and join to large river system, the Indus Basin and Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. Middle Himalayas or Himachal. Middle Himalayas or Himachal lies to the south of the Greater Himalaya or Himadri. The state of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, northern part of West Bengal, western and northwestern part of Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim. The state of northeast fall in these regions. The state of northeast is not actually in Himalayan region. Only the Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim is in Himalayan region, and rest of the state of northeastern India is in Purvachal ranges. You have to remind it. The mountain slopes are covered with thick forests, mountain passes and fertile valleys. Many well-known hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Darjeeling, Nainital lies in this region. Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. Outer Himalayas or Shivalik are the lowest range of the Himalaya. They extend across the southernmost belt of the Himalayas. This width only 16 km in places. The Shivalik merge with the foothills of Himalaya, which is known as the Tarai region. So the Shivalik is the lowest range of Himalaya. The width of this region is not very large, and the southernmost part of the Himalaya is Shivalik. It also merges with the foothills of Himalaya. The foothills of Himalaya is known as Tarai region. The region has number of valleys and mountain slopes are covered with thick forest. The Shivalik are home of number of wild animals. The Purvachal range lies in the northeastern part of India. Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga, Lusai, Patkoi, Mizo hills form the part of its mountain ranges. So, Purvachal ranges consist the northeastern part of the India. The main hills or hill ranges of this region is Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga, Lusai, Patkoi and Mizo hills. The importance of Himalayas. The Himalayas act as the natural barrier for our country in the north. They protect our country from the neighboring countries. The water from the perennial rivers is used for irrigation and producing electricity. The Himalayas forests are home to number of rare species of wild animals like snow leopard, blue sheep and masked deers, etc. So the importance of Himalayas is Himalaya is the producer of the main source of the water in northern India and northern plain, and it protects us from the northern neighboring countries from the north like China, Russia, etc. Himalayan forests are home of number of rare species. Life in the mountain. The Himalaya passes through a number of Indian states like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, western and northern Uttar Pradesh and state of northeast. Let us discuss about its details. Jammu and Kashmir. Location. Jammu and Kashmir is the northmost state of India. It is surrounded by Himachal Pradesh, Punjab in the south, Pakistan in the southwest, Afghanistan and China in the north. The summer capital is Srinagar and winter capital is Jammu. So Jammu Kashmir is the northmost state of India. But now Jammu Kashmir is, from 2019, Jammu Kashmir is not a state but it's a union territory. The capital of Jammu Kashmir, there are two capital, there was actually, not are, because Jammu Kashmir is no more a state, it is a union territory. Jammu Kashmir was two capital, one is Srinagar and one is Jammu. Srinagar was the summer capital and Jammu was the winter capital. Rivers, main rivers of Jammu Kashmir are Chenab, Jhelum and Indus. Languages: Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, Pashto, Dadri, Pashari, Hindi, Punjabi. Urdu is the official language. So there are many languages in Kashmir like Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, Pashto, Dadri, Parsi, Hindi and Punjabi. But the official language of Kashmir is Urdu. Traditional craftsmen as men as well as women wear firna and salwar. Some men wear churidar and firna. Some men wear pathani suits. Kashmiri women wear very silver jewelries. Dance and music: Rauf and Wigi Nachun are popular Kashmiri folk dance. The Raul and Dogri popular folk dances are performed by Kashmiri women. Fairs and festivals: Eid Uras in Khaneka, at Charar Sharif, in the plains of Jammu. Lodi, Baisakhi, Diwali, Jammu Craft Mela and Bahu Mela are the other festivals. Occupation: agriculture, livestock rearing are the main occupation. Terrace farming widely practiced. Rice, wheat, maize, pulses, tobacco, barley, saffron and chief crop. Fruit cultivation is an important source of wealth in the state. Fruits are found plenty in the valley. Art craft: silk weaving, woolen shawl, carpet weaving, wood carving, blanket making, sports goods along with the silver brush and copper work are some of the main arts craft of the industries. Tourism: Gulmarg, Sholmarg, Pahalgam, Verinag, Dal Lake, Ular Lake, Amarnath Cave and Hazrat Bal are some of the popular tourist destinations. Kashmir is also famous for Mughal gardens like Shalimar Bagh and Nishat Bagh. Himachal Pradesh. Location: Himachal Pradesh is bordered by Jammu Kashmir in the north, Punjab in the west, Uttar Pradesh in the south and Uttaranchal in the east. The capital of the state is Shimla. Main rivers are Ravi, Bias, Chenab and Satluj. Languages: the main languages are Pahari, Khatri, Kinnari and along with the Punjabi and Hindi. Traditional dress: men wear loose shirt with pajamas with colorful round Himachali caps. Women wear salwar or pajama with loose colorful kurtas and crafts around their scarves around their head. Dances and music: traditional folk and Samkara songs are popular among the people. Shona, Nati, Bura are popular dance forms. Festivals: main festivals like Hariyali, Lahul, Lori, Baisakhi, Dharmashala festival, Kulu Dasera festival attract tourists from all over the world. Occupation: agriculture is the main occupation. Rice, maize, wheat and barley are the main crop. The state is largest producer of apple in the country. Tourism is also important industry and helps generate income for the states. Art and craft: Pashmina shawl, woolen craft rugs, carpets, silver jewelry, woolen caps, salwar with traditional Himachali embroidery and Kangra miniature painting are well known. Tourism: Simla, Kulu Valley, Manali, Solang Valley, Rotang Pass, Dalhousie, Chamba, Kangra Valley, Dharmashala, Kasauli, Kufri, Chail and Fagu are the major tourist destination. Uttarakhand location. The state of the Uttarakhand is surrounded by Tibet in the north, Nepal in the east, Uttar Pradesh in the south, Himachal Pradesh in the northwest. Its capital is Dehradun. Main rivers are Ganga and Yamuna. Languages: Garhwali, Kumayuni, Hindi. Are the main languages of Uttarakhand. Traditional dresses: men wear pajama kurta with headguard or turban. Women wear rangoli pichaura, a garment worn by the ceremonial occasion with jewelry. Dance and music: Langveer Nitya, Varadanati, Cholia. Folk songs are very popular and played in the musical instruments such as dhol and turi. Fairs and festivals: Basant Panchami, Dasera, Makar Sankranti, Phul Dei, Kumayoni Holi, Nanda Devi Mela, Herala Mela are important festivals. Occupation: agriculture, horticulture, export of crop, fruit, medical plants, along with other public sectors companies employ a large number of people. Wheat, basmati rice, oilseed, pulses, groundnuts, soybean are widely grown. Sugarcane is an important cash crop grown in the region. Art and craft: wood carving, painting, handcrafted gold jewelry, basket weaving, woolen shawl, carvers, rug are well-known handicraft of the state. It is famous for Pahari and Kangra School of Art. Tourism: Ranikhet, Bhimtal, Almora, Kasauni, Sattal, Nainital, Mussoorie, Auli, Chamoli are some of the important hill stations. Other tourism attractions are Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Jim Corbett, Valley of Flowers, Hemkund Sahib, Kumbh Mela at the Haridwar, Nanda Devi National Park, Rajaji National Park and Gangotri National Park. A number of adventurous sports are carried out in the region such as the river rafting, mountaineering, rock climbing, hiking and trekking. Sikkim location: Sikkim is the landlocked state with Nepal in the north, Tibet in the northeast, Bhutan in the east and West Bengal in the south. The capital of the state is Gangtok. It is located height of 5,500 feet on the Shivalik Hills. The main river of Sikkim is Tista. Languages: main languages are Bhutia, Nepali, Lepcha, Sherpa and Limbu. Traditional dresses: there are two main tribes in Sikkim. There are Lepcha and Bhutia. The traditional dresses are different. Lepcha men wear Yanste, Thokro Dam and Shambhu. Women wear smooth and closely ankle-length dress called Dumdayam, loose-fitted blouse called Tago and cap called Taro. Bhutia men wear loose cloak-like garment called Baku and women wear full-sleeve silken blouse and loosened garment called as Hanju with traditional jewelries. Dance and music: mask dance by Lamas, Enche, Cham and Kagyant. Folk songs and western songs are popular among the people. Fairs and festivals: the main Buddhist festivals are Drukpa, Tesesi, Dansian, Lasung and Saga Dawan. Occupation: tourism, agriculture, horticulture and hydroelectricity plant provided job to the people of the state. Rice, cardamom, oranges, apples, maize, potato, wheat, ginger, tea are grown in this state. Art and craft: handloom and handicraft, woolen carpet and furnitures are the main art and craft of Sikkim. Tourism. Chungthang Yumthang Gangtok Ridge Park Research Institution of Tibeteology, Pepayangthang Monastery, Yanchen Monastery and Nathula Pass are the main tourist destination of the Sikkim. So students, today we learn half of the northern mountains. We learn about the division and location of the Himalayan mountains, highest mountain ranges, highest mountain peaks of the world, importance of Himalayas, life in mountains, and the broad discussion about the state which lies in the mountain regions like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Sikkim. The next day we will start from the story of seven sisters, that is included Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. So I hope you understand what I taught you today. Please learn this carefully, and if you have any problem you can contact me. Thank you.